In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download the Calm app from Google Play. By the end, you will have Calm installed and ready to use on your Android phone. To begin, unlock your Android phone. Use whatever method you normally use, like your fingerprint, a pattern, or a PIN code. Once your home screen appears and you can see your usual apps, you are ready for the next move. Now open the Google Play Store. Look for the Play Store icon, which usually has a multicolored triangle on a white background. Tap it once. After a moment, the Google Play home screen will load, showing featured apps and a search bar across the top. Once the Play Store is open, tap the search bar at the top of the screen. The keyboard should slide up from the bottom, and the cursor will blink inside the search field. This tells you the Play Store is ready for you to type the name of the app you want. Next up, search for the Calm app. Carefully type the full name, calm-sleep, meditate, relax. As you type, you may see suggestions appear under the bar. When the correct app title appears, you can tap it to fill in the search, or simply finish typing and then confirm. From there, select the official Calm app by Calm.com Inc. On the results screen, look for the Calm icon, a soft blue square with the word Calm in white text. Under the app name, you should see Calm.com Inc. listed as the developer. Tap that result to open the Calm app page and check you are not picking an imitation. On the Calm app page, tap Install. The button is usually green and near the top of the screen. Once you tap Install, the button changes to show a progress indicator. You might also see a small download bar or a spinning circle that tracks the download. After that, wait for the download to finish. The time this takes depends on your internet speed, so give it a moment. While it installs, the button will change from installing to a new label. When the process completes, the button will switch to Open, which confirms the app is now on your device. With the installation done, tap Open. The Calm app will launch right away from the Play Store screen. You should see the Calm logo, followed by a welcome screen with options to continue. At this point, the app is installed, and you can also find it later in your app drawer. Now set up your Calm account. Open the Calm app if it is not already open. On the first screens, tap Sign Up or Log In. You will see options to continue with your email, your Google account, or other available sign-in options that may appear. Choose the method you prefer, then follow the setup instructions on screen, such as entering your email or confirming with your Google profile, until you reach the Calm home screen with content suggestions. You have now downloaded Calm from Google Play and set up your account so you can start relaxing right away. If this helped you get Calm running, please give the video a quick thumbs up and subscribe if you want more simple app guides.